Everything in life really comes down to your purpose. Why do you want to be a copywriter? And I can't answer that question for you. The reason why I love copywriting and the skill of copywriting is because it is organized communication. So you probably have had, and a lot of people have this problem, they have something in their head and they think, man, I wish I could articulate this idea, maybe to potential customers, maybe to potential employees, maybe to a potential investor, and they invest in your company. The ability to articulate what's in our mind effectively to other humans gives us, in my opinion, an Archimedes lever. You give me a long enough lever and I can move the world. If you apply that to a business, and the reason why businesses will pay for copywriters is because businesses have a product and they want to articulate to potential customers or potential clients why this product or this service may help their lives. Every business in the entire world has the same problem that we have as individuals. How do I articulate to a customer, to a person, to my spouse in a most efficient and effective way so that I can move the lever of the world more profoundly?